Now for something completely different.
This is my 2014 Camaro LT. One late night I was browsing the forums looking up just axleback systems and seeing what most of them sounded like. From what I was hearing, they all sounded about the same. Now, there are minor differences between each of the makes and brands of different things, whether it be a glass back system or a straight through system. But since my car is mechanically 100% stock, I'm gonna go for the more loud approach. Needless to say, one thing led to another, and I ended up on Amazon looking for the cheapest axleback system I could. Because, you know, I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke! I stumbled upon this company that's called Rev9, and they happen to produce a bolt-on system that fits 2010 through 2015. I would have opted for the complete muffler delete package, but in Michigan there are laws that require you to have a muffler
that nobody follows.
My first impressions of the kit when it arrived is that everything looked well packaged, and we have a dented tip. Well, that's disappointing. Well, the rest of the product was okay and looked rather well made. Let's have a baseline. Here's the car cold starting with the stock mufflers. And the interior during a normal drive. And acceleration under 3/4 throttle. Installing the system was straightforward and didn't really require any instructions.
Because the kit did not come with any.
Just cut 2 inches from the stock muffler and you're good to go. Dick around with it for about a half hour to get it perfect. My first thoughts when I installed the system was there's a lot more low into the exhaust note. During normal driving, things are about the same, and on city streets, the drone isn't too apparent. But once you hit about 2,500 to 3,000, the drone's, it's definitely there. J-pipes or resonated X-pipe is probably the next step for this car. Overall, for this exhaust being just at the $200 mark and being something you can do in about 30 minutes of your own time and with minimal tools, I would say this would be a good buy for someone trying just to make their Camaro louder. Now, if you're looking for an axleback system that's going to have no drone guaranteed, you're going to have to pony up and spend a little bit more. Take a moment, check out fastech.com, and do your research. Well, thank you for watching this video, and you've been you, and I've been me, and let's keep it that way.